Hello Steve White, Steve Arts 89. Well, I've got another 4 He-Man Masters of the Universe Origin figures to open. This is, I don't know, kind of fun. Okay, who first? Okay, let's start off with skin-coloured Stratos. Now, he was never my favourite character, that's for sure. But he was a variant, and I do remember him being skin-coloured in the comics, so I thought I'd get him. Unfortunately, all the Origin ones have little rubber bands and things holding them in, which makes them a joy to get out. These are not the little rubber bands. These are harder. Okay. So he's got the blue wings. Buzz off. It's going to be extra hard with the wings and everything, I guess. Yep. Wow. They're really, really difficult to get off those feet. Which are very posable. It's got the same wings, same look, except I didn't have his little helmet. Now, Fisto, I guess I'll stay with the goodies. He's got Alaska in the back. Okay. Now Fisto I only got because I was getting Jitsu, and Jitsu is one of my favourites, so that's why I got him. And of course we've got his purple sword. Looks a bit darker. That's going to be a nightmare to get out. I'm not even going to bother. That's the easiest to get out, I guess. And his sword was just sitting in his back. And for some reason he has instructions. Removable parts, and 3 of them have the same comics, which kind of sucks because I was buying these initially for different mini comics and I've gotten a lot of the same ones. They've all got instructions, basically all removable parts, letting you know which parts come off. And the different comic in Fisto is stuck. Of course. The ones I've got multiples of didn't get stuck, but of course, one I've only got one of is stuck and now it's got marks. Okay. And Fisto's got his removable parts. Now, of course, the fronts are all the same, but the backs have different art and features. And I guess now it's time to compare. Original Fisto. Very similar. Probably the reason why I didn't really want to get him, but I couldn't have Jitsu and not have Fisto. And I figured I can keep one in the horses, Stratos and that, and the other ones can be free to position and stand with the others. Now, of course, Stratos is a different colour. This one was in one of the first mini comics. And Buzz Off looks very much the same. I thought his face was more different. But oh well. I'm still glad I got him, because now I kind of have my little army of them. I'm going to go. Feel free to share, like, comment, subscribe. Oh, I guess I should compare those as well. Some variants. Well, I'm just going to wait for the next package. I've got a few more to come. I am enjoying catching up on all these because I waited a long time to start collecting them, and I just went out and got a whole lot in one go, and it's been fun getting them all at once, and just, it's like Christmas.